So my heat went out. My heat went out last night. In fact, I think my entire HVAC system went out because, like, the blower motor's not coming on, the fan's not coming on. So that sucks. I dropped to 9 milligrams this morning and probably could have appreciated my nervous system just getting a little break from stress. But the reality of life is that the stress chooses us. And at least I can show up for that stress now, like, sober. And I think I can actually do it better than I could show up for things when I was using. The using was just like creating a mirage around my own self that things were functioning. They weren't functioning. They weren't functioning at all. My memory and learning was extremely selective. So yeah, 9 milligrams this morning. I'm gonna celebrate that because that's a big deal. That's a really big deal. And I guess I'm gonna celebrate that by getting my HVAC system fixed. I hope you all had a better night than me. I hope you're comfy and warm and toasty. I'm not. It feels about just as cold in my house as it does outside, honestly. So, all right. Take it easy. Next time. Bye.